5:50 p.m. This is 11R coming up. Yeah, Wachusett Station. It's April 6, 2024.
Trey, I can't talk to you right now. 11R is on its way at Wachusett Quebec. See, it's live.
11R approach. Here at Wachusett Station.
The commuter?
Oh, it's a MBTA, everybody. Fake out, it's a commuter train, everybody coming up.
Yeah.
Well, it's April 6, 2024. We have MBTA coming up here at the Wachusett train station. That's after Fitchburg. Now we know why 11R had to wait. "11R is near Fitchburg waiting for this train to clear." He's got the blue engine on him. No, it's got a purple engine. It's the F40 and F40. We're hoping 11R is right behind this passenger train. It could be right behind him. You never know. It's April 6, 2024. It's at the 6 p.m. here at Wachusett train station. 11R could be next. We're hoping for that.